The unrivaled might of Jamaican, a cosmic superhero. In the vast expanse of the universe, a singular figure stands out as the most powerful superhero of all time, Jamaican. Empowered by a colossal young star, 15,000 times larger than Earth's sun, Jamaican's abilities transcend the boundaries of mortal comprehension. His unparalleled powers and feats solidify his position as a cosmic force to be reckoned with, the power to shape the cosmos. Jamaican's abilities are a testament to his cosmic significance. He can destroy or relocate the sun itself, showcasing his control over celestial bodies. His energy blasts, emitted from his eyes and hands, can annihilate galaxies or restore them to their former glory. This capacity for destruction and creation underscores his role as a guardian of the universe. Additionally, Jamaican's molecular regeneration abilities ensure that he can heal from even the most grievous injuries, making him virtually indestructible. Speed and interdimensional travel. Jamaican's speed is nothing short of remarkable, allowing him to traverse vast distances at light speed. Furthermore, he can travel through various dimensions, exploring alternate realities and timelines. This ability to navigate the multiverse grants him unparalleled insight and strategic advantage. The Nova Burst, a feat of cosmic proportions. One of Jamaican's most notable feats was his encounter with a black hole, threatening to devour entire galaxies. With his Nova Burst, he distracted the black hole, redirecting its trajectory and saving countless star systems. Moreover, he reignited a dying star with the same burst, breathing new life into the celestial body. Astonishingly, Jamaican lived within the star for 30,000 years, a testament to his ability to withstand extreme temperatures and energies. The symbolism of his suit. Jamaican's black, green, and gold suit is more than just a costume. It's a representation of his connection to the universe. The black symbolizes the vastness of space. The green represents the abundance of life, and the gold embodies the purity of light. This iconic suit serves as a visual reminder of his cosmic significance and his role as a guardian of the universe. Precognition and cosmic awareness. Jamaican's abilities extend beyond the realm of physical power. He possesses the ability to see light years ahead, granting him unparalleled foresight and strategic advantage. This precognitive ability allows him to anticipate threats and respond accordingly, solidifying his position as a protector of the cosmos. The omnipotent Jamaican, a superhero of unparalleled power. In a universe filled with extraordinary beings, Jamaican stands out as the most powerful superhero of all time. Conclusion. In conclusion, Jamaican's powers and abilities solidify his position as the most powerful superhero of all time. His capacity to shape the cosmos, travel through dimensions, and foresee the future makes him a force beyond compare. As a guardian of the universe, Jamaican's legend will continue to inspire and captivate generations to come. His unparalleled might and cosmic significance cement his place as a hero of unimaginable proportions. With his unwavering dedication to protecting the universe, Jamaican remains an iconic figure in the realm of superheroes.
In the heart of the island, there's a hero so bright. With the strength of the sun, he's prepared for the fight. Jamaican's his name, he rises with pride, defending the weak. He'll never hide, with a smile on his face, he brings hope to despair. He's the strength of the people, he's always there. Jamaican or hero.